Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about hair. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I just got back from my haircut and I filmed the whole thing, so I wanted to talk to you guys more about my hair care routine because I get a ton of questions from you guys asking about my hair. So I figured I would put it all in one video, show you guys my whole haircut and a lot of the products that I use, my routine and everything like that. I'm going to leave the links to all the products that I'm going to show you guys down below, of course, but I wanted to walk through basically what I ask for when I get my hair cut and then what I do to maintain it before my next one. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some clips of me getting my hair cut. I go to Cassandra. She used to work at Fox and Jane Salon in Bowery in New York City. She moved to California and comes back every 3 months, so I will leave her Instagram down below so you guys can hit her up when she comes back to book an appointment with her because she is amazing. I will only let her touch my hair. I'm obsessed with her. She is so cool. So if you're watching this, Cassandra, I love you and I love what you do with my hair. It is amazing. If you can't get an appointment with her, I recommend Fox and Jane. The Bowery salon is the one I went to. It is such a cute salon. I met her there kind of randomly. I just chose her and she worked so well with me, so I just stuck with her. But I'm sure there's a lot of people at that salon that are just as great. So that's the salon I used to go to, and now Cassandra flies in from California every 3 months, and that's when I will normally get my hair cut. It depends on how long my hair gets. My hair grows very, very fast. This is the length that it's cut out right now. Before it was like down to here, it was very long, and it grew that long probably in like 3 months, and I don't take any hair vitamins or anything. It just kind of naturally grows that long, and I think it's definitely due to me not dyeing it. I don't put any dye in my hair. I never have. This is my natural color. In the winter it gets very dark. That's why my roots are dark. A lot of people might think that, you know, like lying about dyeing my hair, but I really don't. This is just my natural color. And then in the summer the sun lightens it up insane, so I kind of have like almost like not roots, but just like my dark winter color coming in, and then the summer it just kind of like makes it so white. So when I go to Miami next week, literally this won't be my hair color. It's gonna be so light. I literally just put some lemon in it sometimes when I'm like laying out, and it gets like these front pieces will literally get like white. It's insane. But yeah, I don't dye it. I take care of it. I don't put a lot of heat on it. I'm going to show you guys my shower routine and like all the products that I use. I first want to explain what I asked for in a haircut. So I just asked for a few inches off. I probably got maybe 3 inches off today, and I asked for layers and then a face frame. So you can't really tell with my hair being curled. When it's straighter, you can tell that I have like a face frame, and I wanted the bangs to be a bit shorter this time, so it's kind of hard to pull them apart from the curls, but the bangs are pretty short. I mean, these will grow really quick. I like them short, so when I like put it in a ponytail, I can pull some bangs out. But I was honestly debating curtain bangs, but I don't think they're gonna work for me since I have such like a round face. So I just always go for like these little pieces in front, and then it kind of like gets layered all the way down to the bottom. And then she normally blow dries it and uses the T3 micro. I don't know the barrel size, but I actually have it with me here. This is the curling iron I use because she uses it on me. I don't know the size. I wish it said it on it, but this is the curling iron she used on me, and I use it all the time. It's great. She uses like this method where she like ribbon curls it. I'm still learning how to do that because I love how she curls it like this, but this is the wand. I'm going to show you guys the back. So here it is from the back. There's a lot of layers to it, so it looks like a ponytail. Hope you guys can see from this angle. If not, I'll insert a picture, but that's the hair from the back. Moving on to my shower routine, my shampoo, conditioner, everything like that. So I actually switch between 2 shampoo and conditioners because my hair kind of gets used to the shampoo and conditioner that I use. Like if you use it pretty consistently, it kind of gets used to it. So I like to just switch back and forth between the Way medium hair shampoo and conditioner. I'm actually almost out of this, but this stuff is great. It smells amazing. You could do a hair quiz on their website and it will tell you if you're thin, medium, or thick, or fine, medium, or thick. and it will tell you what shampoo and conditioner is best for your hair. I love this, it makes my hair feel really nice and thick, and it doesn't like weigh it down. My hair gets very greasy very quickly, and I noticed this doesn't make it like super oily the next day, which is normally like how my hair used to be like in high school. I would have to wash it every day. I try to wash it like every other day, depends on if I work out. I'm really not good at like not washing my hair for a while. I should train my hair to do that, but I really do wash it either like after a workout or every other day, because the next day it really does start to get a little greasy on top, but nothing drastic. I mean, I can always throw dry shampoo in it. I literally have all of my shampoo in this bag because I carried it from the bathroom, but I switch on and off from the Way from the Olaplex number 4 and 5, the shampoo and conditioner, and they were actually nice enough to send me the entire line of Olaplex. I believe there's 7 steps. So I actually have all of them here. I'm going to walk you guys through it, because if you need help with your hair, if it's feeling really dull or damaged or just not soft anymore, you need this whole step. I believe it comes out to like $100 something. It's definitely worth it if you're wanting to like revive your hair. But here are the steps in case you guys are curious. This is the number 0 Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. You put this in your hair in small sections, like all over, make it like damp, and you keep it there for I think 10 minutes. And once that has sit, you put in number 3, and you do the same thing. You put that in, leave it on for another 10 minutes. And this is the hair perfector, and then you go in the shower and you wash it out with the shampoo and conditioner. This is 4 and 5. This I'll swap and just use every day or every other day or every few days with the Way shampoo and conditioner. This stuff smells so good. I just think for my hair personally, it is pretty healthy and strong, so I don't need the Olaplex like bonding treatment every day. Like my sister, she'll use the shampoo and conditioner like every day. So that's why I switch on and off between the 2 shampoos, just because I feel like this could be a bit much for my hair type. And then after that, you can put in the Bond Intense Moisture Mask number 8. This is actually a new product. You can use this like on its own as a hair mask without all of these steps too. Obviously you can buy these all individually, but I would say about 1 to 2 times a week I'll use this as like a deep conditioning mask. I'll switch between this one and the Way one, which is the fine to medium hair one. I don't love that this is in like a pot, because I feel like in the shower it just kind of gets like messy. This is nice that it's in a pump. I like both of these equally. I like the smell of the Way one. This one smells like their shampoo and conditioner, like their usual scent, but it's nice and moisturizing. So I'll use this, and then after the shower, if you're continuing this treatment or you want to use these alone, they have the number 6 Bond Smoother. This is amazing. I think if you're gonna buy one product from Olaplex, I would say it's this one, because the way it makes your hair feel after the shower, once it dries, it's so silky soft. It's amazing. It smells good. Then they also have the number 7 bonding oil, which I don't use too much of because I don't like a lot of oil in my hair. I'll use this on damp hair before I know I'm blow drying it or styling it, or even after. Like I would kind of run it through my hair now, but I don't need to. If it's feeling like a little frizzy or something, I'll run this through it. But this bond smoother is insane. It makes your hair feel so soft and shiny. You put it in your hair when it's damp, and then you can either blow dry it or let it air dry or go to bed with it, and it's amazing. So definitely recommend this. It's great. I have a few other like miscellaneous products I wanted to show you. I just started using the Way Detox Shampoo. This is a bit pricey, but it is nice to detox your scalp and your hair after all the product you're putting in, especially if you're using a lot of the Olaplex products or dry shampoo all the time. You want to like detox your hair and make it feel really nice, healthy, and you want to like get rid of all that gunk. So this is really good. I know there's other brands on the market that have it, but I really like this Way one just because it like goes nicely with my routine. So definitely recommend a detox shampoo. And then probably once, maybe twice a month, I'll use the Drunk Elephant TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. This is great for maintaining your scalp health, and it's just nice to, you know, make sure you're really like keeping your scalp clean and exfoliated, and it also helps with hair growth. So this is great. It comes in a little like dispenser like this, and you just run it through your hair and let it sit after you massage it before your shower, and then you wash it out like normal. And I really love this stuff. It's just great to like add on to your hair health. Okay, probably my biggest hair tip, which is probably my biggest secret that I've been doing probably since I learned how to shower, and I swear by this rule, and I've never heard of other people doing it, and I really think it's the reason why my hair is so healthy, and it's kind of random. Maybe other people do it, I'm not sure. But I basically treat every conditioner like a deep conditioner. So if I'm in the shower and I use my conditioner, I will only put it on the ends, like the ponytail part. So I'll gather it in a ponytail, lather the conditioner or deep conditioner, depending on what day it is. But if it's conditioner or whatever, I'll put it all in my hair, and then I will tie it up like this in the shower, and then I'll put a shower cap on, so like the heat and keeping it away from the water, it really like saturates to your hair. And then I do the rest of my shower routine. I wash my body, my face, I'll shave my legs, the whole thing. Then the very last step is taking it out of the shower cap, using a wet brush and brushing through my hair. And I swear, treating your conditioner like a deep conditioner, since I could literally remember, has been a key to keeping my hair super soft and healthy. So get yourself a shower cap. I know it's weird. I literally use a shower cap every shower, even if I'm washing my hair. So I kind of do the opposite of what a shower cap does. Like, I'm washing my hair, but I'm still putting it on. It just kind of protects it, keeps the heat in, the moisture in, and it's a game changer. I mean, they're like $1 at like your CVS, and that's my biggest tip. So if you're gonna take anything away from this video, let it be the shower cap trick, because it's amazing. All right, last few little things. I just want to mention the Gisou hair oil. This is great, smells amazing. If you want your hair to smell nice and look shiny, if it's frizzy, or if you're going somewhere and you know your hair's just gonna look like dull and frizzy, if it's like a bad weather day, this is great to pop in your hair. It's a bit pricey, but it's great. And then I also love the Way Texturizing Hairspray. This is like a dry shampoo and a hairspray in one. It's nice and texturizing, so I can like even spray it now. It just adds that grit to your hair and volume, and it smells so good. Like, you can already tell. You just get that extra like grit to it, and it's really nice, and it will keep your curls in place because it's a hairspray as well. So this product rocks. And then lastly, my brush. Don't mind all the hair in it. This brush, I believe, is from Color Wow, which is Chris Appleton's brand, and it has boar bristles in it, which is really great for distributing the oils throughout your hair, so it gives your hair a lot of shine. Definitely recommend a boar bristle brush. This brush is great. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed learning all about my hair. I'm glad to finally have it all in one video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get my hair cut. If you guys have any questions or anything, please leave it in the comments down below. Of course, I will leave all of my links and everything that I use down below as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.